pressure on my chest. Every breath feels wrong inside. Everything I was is in the dirt, and nobody asks how long I can survive. The voices talk, they never stop. Be strong, just hold it in.